Spills like this can be a huge pain, especially if you're the janitor or maintenance manager in charge of cleaning them up before it becomes a hazard. We see a lot of janitors use a solution like powder dam to turn liquids into easy to sweep solids. Here, I'll show you how it works. It's pretty cool. First, just pour on some powder dam, and that's about it. You wait for it to solidify, and it becomes pretty easy to sweep up. Here, I'll show you with this spoon. Look, just turns into a solid. You can sweep it up, and it turns that mess into a quick and easy fix. Powder dam is good for a lot of different things. It can even be used to clean up diesel or gasoline spills, and janitors often want to keep it on hand for tricky situations like this.